Now we will start with the decimal number and its expanded form. With the example, I will explain these decimal numbers and expanded form. Okay. Now, first example I will give you 253.147. How to write in expanded form here? First, this is decimal. Okay. After decimal, this is your right side. This here, before decimal, this is your left side. After decimal, this first number is in 10th place, second is in 100th place, and third is in 1000th place. Okay. Before decimal, as usual, this is unit or ones place. This is in tens place, this is in 100th place. Okay. Now we will write 10th here, 2 is in 100 place, 5 is in 10th place, 3 is in unit place. After that we put point. Next, 1 is in 10th place, then 4 is in 100th place, then 7 is in 1000th place. Then how to write in expanded form? Expanded form. 2 is in 100, that is 2 into 100 plus 5 is in tens place, that is 5 into 10, and ones means 1, that is 3 into 1 plus 10th. How to write 10th? 1 by 10, that is 1 into 1 by 10. Second one, 4 into 100, 1 upon 100. Then 1000th means 7 into 1 upon 1000. This is the expanded form of 253.147. Here, now we will find out which number is greater. Here two numbers are given. Okay, that is 35.63 and 35.67. First we have to make one column. Okay, that is after decimal 10th place and 100th place, before decimal unit and tens. Then you go and write the numbers. This is 35.67. Then compare the digits. Digits in tens place, both are 3. Okay. Unit place, both are 5, means both are 35. Okay. In 10th place, first number is 6, second number is also 6. Up to here, your numbers are same, that is 35.6, both the numbers are same. Compare 100th place now. Here 3, here 7. Which number is greater here? 7 is greater. Okay. Therefore, 35.67 is greater than 35.63. Therefore, 35.67 is greater than 35.63. Now let us look at second example, 48.23 and 39.35. Here also we do like this only, 48.23 and 39.35. First compare tens places, that is 4 and 3. Here which number is greater here? 4. Right? Unit place 8 and 9. No need to see now 10th and 100th place, because here only you can clarify 48 is bigger than 39. So 48.23 is greater than 39.35.